This is a company, Xhmeishan. It's a 13-foot street pole. Everything that comes in the box, opened up, displayed. The street pole is 13 feet with a top mounting surface diameter of 3 inches and a bottom width of 7.8 inches square. The thickened steel plate base design provides strong, long bearing capacity. Outdoor light poles made of selected high-quality Q235 steel, an alloy made for architectural trim, adopting the hot dip galvanizing process. The zinc layer is thick and dense to provide efficient anti-rust performances, which has maintained the longevity of the street light pole. The street light pole is suitable for a variety of lighting styles or other items, for example, garden lights, different street lights, cameras, sunshade, and other equipment. The split assembly street light pole consisting of 4-section split rod designed for easy installation, high quality metal material with excellent toughness, ductility, and welding properties, as well as good forming ability. The streetlight pole is side-mounted and weighs approximately 88 to 110 pounds, typically accommodating solar panels of 100 watts for general customers. Show what everything comes with the package, and this sample kit does not have instructions, but is very easy to assemble. You're going to need a shovel, a place to place your pole, dig out a hole deep enough for your base, your foundation, and peel off the plastic covers after you seat this into the cement and dry and make level. You have the option to drill on cement or other areas. This is your foundation for cement, not included. The 4 anchors needs to be drilled into the ground deeply, leveled. Each of the poles use a bolt, Allen key style. Take a pole, match up, and carefully align. Take the bolt and start to lock down. And you're going to repeat this for the next 2 with a ladder. When all 3 poles are secured, the top one gets a cap. It gets tapped down. Then you're able to put on all your types of street lights, security cameras, solar panels, and more. We're demonstrating just in the house to show you what it looks like setting up. As we set our pole up with different types of street poles, this gives you an idea what you can use your pole for. This is a street pole demonstration showing you. We're going to go now install our street pole and what it looks like all set up. In our demonstrations, this is the foundation. We take the pole, we place down and make our marks. We put a hole and mark. With a hammer drill, we start to drill our hole. Put our locks and our anchors in and match up our holes. With a square washer, round washer, and nut, place on. With the base secured and the first set of poles, wide angle to narrow angle, match up the nut to the spacer opening. Put in the right Allen key and bolt and lock down. You have 3 to do. With the narrow to the wide, the space, and the nut socket area, we're going to slide on and lock down. With the top, place on and smack down. With the last 3 bolts, lock down. The pole measures 3 feet per pole. We have a total of 13 feet here. 3, 6, 9, 13. We are completed with our pole mounting to the cement and ground. Your option is to mount it into the ground with cement in a garden area, landscape, and more. This is the pole all hooked up. You have the option to go 6 feet, 9 feet, 12 feet, 15 feet, 18 feet, and 21 feet. These poles come in 13, 16, and 20 feet. As we take a measurement for the height of this pole from the base to the top, we get 13 feet. Each pole is about 3 feet long. Large solar panels, large solar street lights, security cameras, multiple lights at a basketball court, a tennis court, wherever you want to put a pole. The pole is an easy assembly, a help of a friend, tall ladder to install, whatnot. Disassembly of the pole is as simple as taking all the bolts off and disassembly, and work your way to the bottom. Lift off carefully. This is the street light pole. Capacity weight 33 pounds. Could hold up to 90 pounds of weight. This is your street pole. I hope you enjoy your product and thank you for viewing.